So hello guys, today I'll be teaching you on how to install an SQL Server, and we have this link which I'll be attaching on the description below. So we want to download a developer edition, so we'll just click download, and our download should start. I can't download again because I already have the download. After the download is complete, we'll have a setup like this, such as this. So you just need to double click it and yes. Mhm. Click custom and then install. When it's over, it should pop up a new window, and we'll click installation, then new SQL standalone installation, and from here just need to click next. There are no updates. It was checking for updates, and next. Then you can add features to already existing. I have an already existing instance, so you can perform want a new installation. So install developer, then I accept the terms. You might read them. So check these ones: database engine service, SQL duplication, and if you need machine learning or any other you might choose, but now we will go with those. Then click next. And we need an instance name. How will we refer the name of our instance? I'll call it SQL for now. It will automatically assign instance ID. So that's our instance name, SQL. And next, and here we need our SQL agent to be automatic, on automatic mode. Also the data engine to be automatic. Then next, yeah, don't forget to set the Windows authentication, the mixed mode, where you are logging to your machine, which is the Windows authentication. It will authenticate with your Windows authentication and password, and your user SA password, which we are setting up now, which we will set to be in the set SQL. Mhm. Set up a strong password for worth Then we need to add our current user who is logged, the user who is creating this account, or we might add any other user, and if you want to remove, you might as well remove. So I've set up to the current user on my machine. Then next, and the installation should it's now installing the files. So after it's complete, the installation, as you can see, the installation is successful. So you can just close that. Now we need an SQL Server Management Studio, which is this one right here. and I will also be sending the link, which is this link. So you need a management studio. So we have installed that ourselves, but how do we access the databases, see the tables, create tables? How do we access that? So we need a SQL Management Studio. So we can download this. I've already downloaded one. So let's SQL Server Management Studio. Here it is. So download and install, and its setup starts like this. Mhm. So after it's complete, remember our login. We selected our instance was SQL. Here it is. So SQL and Windows authentication, or we might use the SQL server for the password we inputted. The user here is SA and your password, obviously. So for now, I will use Windows authentication, and voila, here is our instance. So in the next tutorial, I'll be setting up Visual Studio and creating several tables here and database. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.